Hello restaurant owners, are you facing problem with your POS system? Like whether your customers are telling some cooking instructions or extra cheese or extra pepper or anything like that, extra butter, are you not able to provide the instruction or add on to your existing item what your customer orders? Then this is this video for you. And this is Bigdbiz bakery ERP software for restaurants. Now let us see how the POS is providing you the cooking instructions like extra pepper, oil less, and add on cheese, something like that. How to do this? Let us see in this video. Come on. I'm having a Chinese item, aloo butter masala and aloo naan, aloo gobi masala. For example, if aloo butter masala customer is telling that I want pepper extra and oil less, so you can just add on that one, and you can add the extra cheese or something like that. You can click on this and you can add on cheese, update. So if the customer is asking for double cheese for gobi masala, click on that and add two quantity and update that one, so the cost gets add here. These two items are having add-ons and the details are everything listed here. Now let us see how it looks in the print. Now look at this print. You can see here extra cheese, one for aloo butter masala, double the cheese for aloo gobi masala, and all the details, everything will be sent to the kitchen for the cooking instructions, everything. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to have a quick demo about this software POS billing for your restaurant, just call 9123 515 998. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.